and welcome to CNCF Minutes. In this video, we'll discuss about Potter. So Potter is a CNCF sandbox project. So Potter is a tool which helps you bundle your application, version it, distribute it, and install it using a single command. Now, when we talk about bundle, it's important to understand what a bundle is. So bundle is basically a cloud native application bundle, which is called CNAP. So it is a specification for packaging distributed applications. So you can say that you have an application which is running in the infrastructure and you have packaged the complete application in a single file and you can distribute it and then install it. Typically, an app requires an infrastructure. So infrastructure, you can say, is provisioned maybe using Terraform, and application deployment, maybe using Helm, and some bash scripts that are provisioning the complete infrastructure and deploying the application, connecting all the configuration secrets, managing the secrets and the environment variables. Now when you want to distribute this application and want the other person to install it, there are certain factors which they will not know, like which version of the tooling have been used, which Terraform or Helm commands they need to execute, what are the secrets and the environment variables or the files or the configurations is need to be created. Now that's where Potter comes in and solves this problem. So you have completely bundled the application. You can completely bundle the application using Potter. You can distribute the application and you can install the application using Potter with a single command. You can manage the secrets and the credentials using the Potter in the potter.yaml file. And there's no need to rewrite the existing deployments that are there that you're already using it. It works well with Bash, Helm, Terraform, and the other mixins. It has the reliable deployments because you know the exact version of which Terraform is getting used, the exact environment variables, the exact configuration files. So the deployments becomes reliable. Now, other features that are there, like the credentials and the secrets are managed, parameterized bundles are supported. You can connect actions, inputs, and the outputs. And there is a concept of mixins as well. So mixing makes Potter special. So mixing are something that can be used in the potter.yaml file, and you can use like, for example, exec mixing to run the command or the script. You can use Docker mixin to run the commands of the Docker CLI. You can use Kubernetes mixin to manage the Kubernetes manifest using the Kubernetes CLI, and Terraform mixin. So there are mixin, and you can create your own mixin as well. So you can develop mixins as well, and it is also well documented. So this is the FAQ page, which answers some of the basic questions which comes in the mind of everyone who first hears about Potter. So I just have a Potter install of the application, and it just installed it. And I have also invoked action with a particular parameter, and it used that as well. So potter.yaml file will contain the parameters, will contain the mixings and all the other commands for install, upgrade, uninstall, all those things will be there. And also I talked earlier about managing credentials. So this is how, if we try to generate the credentials like Potter credentials generate, what will happen is it will ask you whether you want it as a secret, specific value, environment variable, file path, or a shell command. So inside the file, you can see that you have the credentials defined, and you can give the name of the credential. So this is what Potter is on a very high level. If you want a deep dive session on Potter, do not forget to mention in the comment section. Like and share this video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. And thank you for watching.